In this tutorial, we'll learn about Amazon SageMaker and explore its features for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. To get started, create an AWS account, then sign into the AWS Management Console as the root user. After logging in, navigate to Amazon SageMaker and create a SageMaker domain to begin working with machine learning tools. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed cloud service provided by AWS that enables developers and data scientists to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly and at scale. It offers a wide range of tools for data processing, model development, and deployment, all within a single integrated environment. With SageMaker, users can work with large data sets, apply algorithms for tasks like image recognition and predictive analytics, and automate many steps of the machine learning workflow. It also supports real-time and batch predictions, making it suitable for applications across industries such as healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. Navigate to the AWS Management Console dashboard. In the search bar at the top, type Amazon SageMaker and click on the SageMaker icon to open the service. In Amazon SageMaker, click the Create Domain button to set up your SageMaker domain. After the setup is complete, select your domain and click Open Studio to launch the unified development environment. After opening Amazon SageMaker Studio, click the Discover button in the environment to explore available tools, resources, and pre-built machine learning solutions. Next, click on the Build section in SageMaker Studio to begin building, training, and customizing your machine learning models. Finally, click on the Govern option to manage, monitor, and control your machine learning resources and workflows. In the Open Unified Studio, click on Machine Learning and Generative AI Model Development. In the project name and description, write SageMaker Project. Then, scroll down and select all capabilities to enable SageMaker's full range of features. This will give you the ability to analyze data, build machine learning models. In Step 2, review project name and profile to ensure everything is correct. Next, set the rendition to 731, enable project repository autosync, and choose the Glue DB to integrate your data sources and enable seamless data management within Amazon SageMaker. Step 3, review the configuration. After setting up your domain, capabilities, rendition, and databases, carefully review all your configuration settings. Reviewing these settings ensures that your Amazon SageMaker environment is fully ready for building, training, and deploying machine learning and generative AI models. Once your domain and configuration are created, SageMaker will display all projects in your environment along with their status. When you open a SageMaker project, the workspace displays all the essential components you need to get started. You'll find the libs folder containing libraries and dependencies, the file directory for project-specific data, and a README file that provides documentation and instructions. Additionally, there's a Getting Started iPinned notebook, which serves as a hands-on guide to help you quickly begin working with your machine learning or generative AI models. To start working on your project, click New Notebook. This allows you to create a Jupyter notebook within your SageMaker environment and configure the workspace according to your needs. You can select the compute resources, attach necessary libraries, and set up the environment so that your machine learning or generative AI experiments run smoothly in Amazon SageMaker. The next step is to click New Query, which allows you to run SQL queries or other data queries directly within your SageMaker environment. This feature lets you explore, analyze, and manipulate datasets stored in your connected databases, such as the Lakehouse database, GlueDB, enabling you to prepare and process data efficiently for building machine learning or generative AI models in Amazon SageMaker. You have successfully set up Amazon SageMaker for machine learning. Your environment is now ready to analyze data, build and train machine learning models, run generative AI experiments, and deploy applications. You can explore pre-built templates, create notebooks, run queries, and manage projects efficiently. With SageMaker fully configured, you're ready to start developing intelligent solutions that leverage predictive analytics, image recognition, natural language processing, and other AI capabilities.